What's up, guys? My name's Kinsey. I'm going to show you in this video how and why you should build out and use Assemblies in ConGenius. So I'm on a project, I'm on my estimate tab, and I'm adding items to this estimate. So if you've been in ConGenius very long, you'll know that there's the catalog browser over to the right-hand side, and you can browse Home Depot items. You can browse the ConGenius catalog that has a bunch of templates for costs, and then your catalog that you can build out as you go as well. So for this job, let's go ahead. I want to show you how Assemblies can help save you a ton of time. So I'm going to go to my Assemblies catalog. I'm going to go to painting. I have paint and prime interior walls with 2 coats. I have this assembly built out, which essentially has all of my relationships for my material and my labor per square foot. So that way, all I have to do is set the square footage, and then all of these relationships are calculated. Got that assembly here. I can specify the quantity either by a measurement that I've taken in ConGenius on a digital, from a plan. For example, I could specify that. I can add a waste factor, let's say 5% waste, and I can round up to the full square foot and set that quantity. So then my cost is calculated there. So with those assemblies, with those relationships that I had already built out, I can then see, okay, how many roller heads am I going to need? How much paint am I going to need? I need 4 gallons for this job. So I have all of those relationships built out. So in the catalog, I'll show you. Let's go to flooring, install and finish 3 1/4 inch hardwood flooring. I'll show you these relationships. So I have all of these relationships calculated to say, hey, my general laborer rate can install and finish 200 square feet of flooring in 8 hours. I can set a minimum for that person. I can round up to full hours for that project. So you can set up all of these rules in your catalog so that way you only have to do it once and you don't have to build it on every single job. So we suggest adding in all your labor rates, all your material, equipment, rental rates, for example, and any other costs that are going to go into installing and finishing 3 1/4 inch hardwood flooring. And some people, we might even recommend breaking out, the flooring prep, for example. Maybe that's its own assembly, so that way you can track costs, or you have different labor rates, things like that added for that specific task on a job. So lots of different ways that you can build out assemblies in ConGenius, but suggest building assemblies for things that you're doing over and over again. So let me go back to that project, go to my estimate tab. Okay, I'll add that flooring assembly that we just looked at, add that. And then I can just specify, let's just say there's 350 square feet. My costs are now calculated for that specific item. Assemblies will help you fly through estimating. They'll help you estimate more accurately, not forget details on projects. So explore how we're building assemblies in the ConGenius catalog here to help you set up your assemblies, and let us know what assemblies we could help you build out.